To add a business email to Gmail, you can set up email forwarding or use the Gmail account to manage and send emails from your business domain. Here are the steps to add a business email to Gmail. Option 1. Email Forwarding 1. Access your business email account. Log into your business email account through your email hosting provider's webmail interface. This is usually provided by your web hosting or email hosting service. 2. Enable email. Forwarding. Look for email forwarding settings in your email provider's control panel. Set up email forwarding to your Gmail address. 3. Gmail settings. Log in to your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import or Accounts tab. In the Check Email from Other Accounts section, click Add an Email Account. 4. Add Email Account. Enter your business email address. Click Next. Choose the Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 option. Click Next. 5. Configure Settings. Enter the email address of your business account. Set the POP server to the one provided by your business email hosting, often something like pop.yourdomain.com. Set the username and password for your business email account. Configure other options as per your preferences. Click Add Account. 6. Verification. Gmail will send a verification email to your business email account. Click the verification link in the email to confirm and complete the process. Now, Gmail will fetch emails from your business email account and you can manage them within Gmail. Option 2. Send emails from your business domain. Using Gmail. If you want to send emails from your business domain via Gmail, follow these steps. 1. Gmail settings. Log in to your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import or Accounts tab. 2. Send Mail As. In the Send Mail As section, click on Add Another Email Address. Enter your business email address. Ensure Treat as an Alias is checked. Click Next. 3. SMTP Server. Configuration. In the SMTP Server section, enter the SMTP server information provided by your business email hosting, often something like smtp.yourdomain.com. Enter your full email address and password for your business email account. Click Add Account. 4. Verification. Gmail will send a verification email to your business email address. Click the verification link in the email to confirm and complete the process. Now, when composing emails in Gmail, you can choose to send them from your business domain email address. These steps should allow you to add and manage a business email address within Gmail. The exact configuration details may vary depending on your specific email hosting provider, so refer to their documentation if you encounter any issues.